Shane, it's Brienne. I am making you this short little video to show you a little bit of what we could do for you and your website. I know that Kate had said that you are already pretty busy, so you're not trying to grow too much, but I still think that there is a little bit that we could improve and stuff if you're open to it, so that way I could learn and we could make your website look a little better and all that. I really like the look of your website. I love this dog and the way that it's on the white carpet and kind of draws you in and shows everything you do just on the front page alone. The only thing is that one of the most important things when you're looking at a website is content. Google really takes content into consideration when they are ranking a website, and they want 1,500 to 2,000 words alone on this front page. And then I know you have more content once you click on these pages, but they want 750 words per product or service that you offer or other page that you have. And so we're not quite to that. Everything looks really good though, and I like the way that you explain everything. It's just a matter of basically adding to that. I love the way that it looks and everything, and the aesthetic is very nice. The other thing is that when you search it, I did a little search right here of Carpet Care Roseville, and you aren't on these top 3, and I couldn't find your website organically through any of these pages. I think I went down here to like 7 and 8, and I still didn't quite see you. And that could just be because your website was offline for a little bit. But the cool thing is that you are on the map pack. You're just a little bit lower down. You're around number 6 down here. But people can still find you when they look through this, which is very important when people are trying to find your service, obviously. I compared you to these 2 top guys right here. And this guy, he pops up right here, right under Yelp. And then Rick's is right below that. And so they're ranking pretty high also, in addition to the map pack. So that gives them double exposure. And that's something that you're not getting if that's something that you're looking for. The other thing is that when you do carpet cleaning Roseville, you don't come up at all in the map pack or in organic. And Rick's actually doesn't either. And that leads me to believe that maybe we're not focusing on the right keywords on your page or Rick's page. When you do content, you want all those words because it gives you the opportunity to put in the keywords that you're hoping to rank for. You're hoping to have somebody search tile cleaning Roseville and you want you to pop up still. And I think that the only reason that you and Rick are coming up for Carpet Care Roseville is because that's part of your name. So that's definitely something that we could kind of work on in order to help you pop up for a lot of different keywords that people might be searching in order to find your service. So here is Rick's website, and he also doesn't really have a lot of content. It's really pretty and it looks nice. But he doesn't have a ton of words except for maybe the words that are behind each of these pictures, and that could be why he's ranked so high. But also we need to look at citations and backlinks. And citations are basically a directory, so all the places that you're listed all over the internet that have your phone number and your address and your business name and all that. And then backlinks are different websites that refer customers back to your website. So, for example, if we're looking at this, you have 15 backlinks. And I looked at those, and almost all of those are from Yellow Page, which is really good because the Yellow Pages refer people to you. But they're all a certain type of link, and we want kind of a variety of links in order to show Google that you're a little diverse in the way that you're advertising to people on different websites and whatnot. So when you're looking at these 2 numbers, these are really important. The UR is the power or popularity of your website, and the DR is the trustworthiness. And so the trustworthiness is basically based on the diversity of the backlinks you have and the different domains that are referring you. So you don't want to go on some low-ranking website and have that low-ranking website refer you, because then you won't get any more power than you currently have or any more trustworthiness than you currently have. You want to find a high-ranking website like Yellow Pages to refer you, so that way Google can see, oh yeah, look at this trustworthy site that's referring this website, they must also be trustworthy. So then when you're looking at Rick's Carpet Care, you can see that he doesn't have any trustworthiness, but he has a lot of citation flow or power or popularity. and that means he's listed a lot of places, but maybe those places aren't as popular or trustworthy as we're hoping for. He does get a lot of organic traffic per month, but that must be because maybe he's being referred a lot, and there might not be a lot of competition in the area, because when I look at this other website, he is ranking for his coupon page. So that means that his main page is so popular that it's spilling over into his other pages. And when you search carpet cleaning Roseville, his coupon page actually pops up for us. That page has a really high trustworthiness, most likely because his main page is very trustworthy and it's sending traffic to this coupon page. But he only has 3 backlinks on this coupon page. So there's a lot of different areas that contribute to the Google ranking system, but when we combine all of them together, I'm pretty confident that we could get your page ranking in the next couple months. This is the backlinks that come from Rick's Carpet Care, and so a lot of his are yellow pages as well, but there are some other ones. And so when we go to the top and it says DR and UR, we want to look at those numbers again. We want to kind of snag the same links that he has that have the high popularity, power, and trustworthiness that these ones do. And so we do have the yellow pages, but remember, not all links are created equal. So we want to diversify our links and go to these different websites and stuff and make sure that they're going ahead and referring customers to our website as well in order to prop up our trustworthiness and power in the long run. This is just a comparison I made between the 3, and I went to his main website instead of his coupon page, so that way you could kind of get an idea. And he's getting 38 different websites that are referring customers to his actual website. So that's why he's ranking higher than you guys, because he has so many other popular people referring his website, and it's helping him gain popularity as well. So I tried to make this really short and sweet. I hope that you kind of enjoyed it a little bit and we can chat. Here is my phone number if you want to go ahead and give me a call or a text, and we can talk a little bit more about it. Thank you so much for watching.